Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text animation in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the follow button and leave a like. So let's begin. Now we need to access our edits app, and after that we will need to start a new project. If you had already some project that you were working on, you can just click on it so you can start working on it. In my case, I'm just going to click on plus sign and I'm just going to choose this image and simply I'm going to click on done. Now we are able to see this project tab where we can start editing on our media, and I'm just going to add some text so we can add anything to it. So let's just name it text, and basically you will be able to start changing its color if you'd like, etc. So you will have the font size, like the coloring, and you can have everything to choose for this video or this text. Now let's just go here to this text, and from here you will find, for example, this feature of text to speech, and basically you will be able to choose the tone of the video, etc. Now let's just go back and simply you will be needing to go to edit, and there you will find some things to add. For example, the alignment, and those are just some styling to the text, and basically those are just the outlines for your text. And basically that's the more of it. And all you can do is to simply start styling your text and you won't be able to move it. Otherwise, you will be able to start having some kind of a workaround like splitting your text or duplicating it. And for each one, you will make it to be some other styling, for example, like that. And whenever it is like that, it will become this, and then you can start changing it. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.